Look at this.
People are gonna judge me for doing it in the pan.
Do you whip them or beat them?
Whichever makes you feel better about yourself.
Guys, I woke up in a bad mood this morning. It was raining, like bad. Jared called me at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it was raining super bad. He had to pull over on the side of the highway because it was raining so bad he couldn't see. Power lines were getting knocked over, whatnot. It was crazy, but here's why I'm in a good mood now. It finally quit raining. It's been raining for days, and you guys know that we haven't been able to do a lot stuff that we want to do. So now we have to go fix our trees because they all kind of blew over, even though we staked them down. But we need to move the rabbit out of the garden so we could start planting. So I'm going to have to fix the coop where the chicks are at for the rabbit, put the rabbit out in the yard, put the chicks somewhere else. We move the quail outside. A lot to do, a lot to do. Guys, my parents sent us this letter in the mail like a month ago. We just got it. She sent it so we would get something in the mail. How sweet. But guess what else we got? We got a picture book from our wedding, so let's look through it. You guys have asked us about photos from our wedding, so let's look. Oh, this is probably the most interesting day right here. The blank page. Here is my grandma that we got the ring from. That was the day I proposed. So that's my awesome granny that we got the ring from. This is Jaylena and her mom. Me and the officiant that talked about butterflies and rainbows. Jaylena and I trying not to laugh because she's talking about rainbows. And rockstar status getting married. Look at these guys. We really got married. We didn't make it up. This was a really fun trip to Vegas. Here's the parents. We just got married. The whole group. See, we took a lot of people with us. It was fun. There's our rings. And then this lovely photo of me that my mom put in there. Look how flattering that is us at Denny's because we went there every day. Party mode, the whole bunch. I don't know if y'all can see that. Me jumping in photo bombing the girl's photo because that's how I roll. And then you don't end Vegas unless your wife carries you back to the hotel room. That's right, that is Jaylena. Let's see if I can do this without reflection. That is Jaylena carrying me back to the hotel room with my dad in the back laughing. And then Jared bought us drinks, and so we passed out on the plane. So that's the end of story time. So now I think we're going to make some food. So we went and checked the mail. And Jaylena, what'd you get?
I got Keto brownie mix.
We signed up for this thing that you can do product placements, I guess, in our videos to make extra money. So we can do this full time. So yes, we will start doing product placements, but we're gonna let you know, and you guys know we keep it real.
But we are not getting paid to put this in the video. I'm not going to disclose any details about this brownie mix yet.
Because she's still figuring it out.
Yes, but she just wanted my review personally, so this is not like paid to be in the video or anything. But I thought it'd be funny to make these.
And it's free brownies.
And have Jason taste test them compared to the non-keto brownies.
But I'll do it blindfold, or I'll close my eyes, and I'll take a bite of each and see if keto brownies are better than normal Betty Crocker brownies. So we'll see. And then something else we got in the mail from someone that's super awesome. We got a candler. It's like a flashlight thing that you stick the egg on, and you can candle your eggs now that we got the incubator. So we got the note in it, it's right here, and it says, "Hi, enjoy your gift from Johnny at Johnny's Tiny Creekside Cottage. Enjoy using it, but don't let it get you so excited that you are opening the incubator too often. Love you all." Guess what? I wanted to say something about Johnny and Johnny's Creekside Cottage and not cabin, because I always say cabin. This guy has his own channel. We gave him a shout out before. He's still new to this. He started messaging us a lot and commenting on our videos, and we have gotten really close with him. And you guys know that we have the family page and all that. Well, we have decided to make Johnny the admin on our family page and an administrator every time we go live now. So if we see any bad comments, anything bad going on, he can get in there and clean it up, keep it nice for all of us, because we all know some of these live videos have been getting out of hand and we need the extra help. So we truly want to thank Johnny for being awesome, being a part of the family, and now being a part of our channel. We can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for being awesome. So if you guys see Johnny posting some stuff on the family page, tell him hi. I think he's gonna do a cool segment that we're gonna start, like a highlighted member per week, maybe, or something like that, either per week or per month. And he will interview you guys, and it will help us get to know you. And Johnny will be a part of that, so we are super pumped about that. Thank you guys for always being awesome. Look at this.
People are gonna judge me for doing it in the pan.
Do you whip them or beat them?
Whichever makes you feel better about yourself.
So that's how I know how our kids are gonna get whipped, because she whips that. But let's check the egg incubator real quick. It's doing great. 99.5, 53% humidity. They've been spinning around. Guys, we're less than 20 days away from having some chicks born for the first time at the Crocker homestead. And we got Tom and Rhonda, our neighbors, to thank for that. We got John's Creekside Cottage to thank for that. We got our chickens out there to be thanked for that. So, guys, we're just super thankful for everything that goes on at our house, the Crocker homestead, our family page, our Facebook page, our Instagram, YouTube, everything. It's awesome, guys. And I jumped on Better Together Life's live chat the other night, and I saw a few people that are on our channel. And so we thought that was super cool that you guys are out there supporting other people as well. So thank you so much for keeping the whole homesteading community super tight, and keep the support coming, guys.
How do these brownies look, guys? The texture is definitely different. It's not as creamy smooth as normal like box brownie mix, but I think it's just the ingredients are different. So these are made with coconut flour, and I don't know how to say this. Erythritol. It's like a sugar, like a not
urethra.
Erythritol. It's that first ingredient. Look, don't show that. Sugar substitute for keto. It's just a little pricey.
So what are you doing, snacking on those strawberries over there?
I am. Because everyone knows the best fruit to eat on keto diet are berries. Well, and if you didn't know, now you do.
If you didn't know, now you do. Guys, it's so wet outside. The sun's out, so I'm happy, but it's wet outside. So we're not going to do any planning today. We're not really going to do a whole lot outside today. The wind is just outrageous. When that storm blew through, I mean, it was windy. And we still need to buy a dead cat for the mic, the big fluffy looking thing that keeps the wind out. We don't have one. And so we're not used to this, guys. We do video work for artists and, bands and stuff like that you just put their music on top. We're getting what we need for the right setup so you guys don't have to hear the wind, and we can actually vlog outside more. Jaylena just did a taste test. Let's see.
It does not taste like brownie mix.
That didn't sound too convincing.
Well, it definitely does not taste like brownie mix.
So we'll see. I know, as you know, every time you make brownies or cake or anything like that, you're licking the spoon, licking the bowl, and if you're kids, you fight over it. So I'm not really going to fight her for this one. I'm going to let her take it all. We'll find out, and we'll do the taste test, see which one's better.
So I'm going to steal you guys away for just a second, and I'm going to go feed the rabbit some banana peel and a bunch of leftover pieces from the strawberries. So let's go. Here are my milk chocolate brownies. As you can see, they're pretty popular. So for all of you that were surprised or disappointed that I couldn't cook brownies, I can. Like I said before, that was an experiment. We took two different types of brownies and mixed them together. Well, I didn't even mix them. I put one layer on bottom and one layer on top, and it did not work, obviously. The keto brownies are cooking up, and I'm really curious to see what they taste like. I hope they taste good, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. You guys, the keto brownies are done. They're very dark in color. Let's see. They smell like brownies, but I don't know. We'll do a taste test. My first thought is they're very moist. Not bad. They're really not that bad. They're pretty good. They definitely don't taste like brownies, but they're pretty good for being keto brownies. If I was dying for some chocolate or dying for some brownies, this with whipped cream would probably be very, very good.
Look, I'm gonna close my eyes. You spin the thing around so I don't know.
Okay, close your eyes.
And then just stick one in my hand. That's pretty good.
Okay, next.
Not near as good.
So what do you think? Scale of 1 to 10.
If I had to eat it, I would. It reminds me of like the comparison between keto spaghetti and normal spaghetti. And there's no comparison.
Well, guys, there you have it. Jason is pro milk chocolate brownie, not pro keto brownies. All right, you guys, so I'm going to make dinner. Jared's almost home. Jason's outside taking care of the quail. And I'm going to start by lining our air fryer with some foil. We will be cooking some pork ribs and asparagus and some salad and French fries. So for the ribs, I'm going to get a little creative. I'm going to marinate it in some barbecue sauce, a little bit of teriyaki sauce, and some hot sauce. All right, we are going to let the meat sit for a little while and then we'll put it in the air fryer with the asparagus. So first I'm going to take the asparagus and I'm going to line the bottom of the air fryer with the asparagus. Now we are going to place the meat in here. All right, so there you have it, and I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Pork ribs are done.
I had this shit earlier.
They look amazing. Now we're gonna start on the fries. There you have it, guys. Our dinner's done. The guys will let you know how it tastes once we eat it.
Look at that, air fried pork ribs and French fries. Let's see if this is good. Last night I did some gizzards and fries and they were good. Hot, good and crispy. I put some bacon cheddar seasoning on it. And let's just try a chunk of this meat. Not bad, guys, not bad. Jared's over here collecting trash.
Oh, I'm getting ready to compost these cardboard boxes and paper.
For what?
For the compost bin, silly.
What are you gonna do on Saturday?
I'm going to plant my grapevines, my blueberries, my raspberries, my peach tree, my pear tree, and everything else in the garden and get this thing going.
All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you today with just promise that tomorrow is going to be a lot better. We're going to do a lot of stuff outside. We're going to move the chickens. We're going to move the quail. We're going to move the rabbit. We're going to just do a lot of stuff outside because it's not raining anymore, which we're so excited about. I am so tired of being inside all day because of this rain. So tomorrow I am going to get to work and we're going to get ready to start planning. We're going to start doing animal stuff. We're going to get ready for our meat rabbits and everything else. I don't know. We'll see. So we will see you guys tomorrow. And Jaylena, what are you doing?
We're gonna do some TP for Jared because he is out.
Ooh.
He didn't ask. I'm just that nice.
Oh. So we're going to leave you with that. We all know what Jared's going to be doing later. So, as always, thanks for subscribing, hitting the notification button. All links down below. And if you're new to our channel, because we've been getting a lot of new comments, thank you guys so much for sticking around and wanting to be around. Love you guys.